Hi everyone, this is Sinan from carinspected, and today we're taking a look at this Acura TSX. It's a 2009, I believe. It was manufactured in March 2008. And we're in Mascouche, just north of Montreal. This is a very, very cold winter day. You can see some rust on the wheel wells. Tires flat. We're starting with a walk around. I left the trunk open just to show you what's inside. It was very difficult to open the trunk, so I left it open. You can see the shine is pretty good, but if you have a trained eye for this, you'll see that almost entirely the car's been repainted. Now, just highlighting quickly, you can see some signs here. That's without using any tools. A little bit of rust here. The bottom of the front bumper is worn. The rust is highlighted here. The tires, the winter tires are Nokian Acura 7. The fronts are less than 5 30-seconds remaining. The ones in the back are a little bit better. They're 7 or 8 30-seconds remaining. A new Nokian Acura would be between 10 and 11 30-seconds, just to give you an idea. Some wiring that was done here, it seems. Manufacturing date, as you can see, it's March 08. I've inspected one recently that's March 08, and it ended up being a 2009 model. Oops. The mileage on the car is 180,685. I don't believe that temperature gauge. There's something wrong with it. It's about -20 out there. It's really, really cold. Maybe with a wind chill though, I don't know. The car has WeatherTech floor mats. The usual rust spots around the frames for the seats. Rear seats are more or less clean, little staining, but that seems to be sweat stains. I'm not 100% sure, but yeah, somewhere up there. You can see the stickers on this door and here. Okay. You can also see it here, even though this panel was repainted. But then, just highlight it here usually. Yeah, there it is. That's the VIN number of the car, just for tracking. But you can see it's already been painted over here. It's been painted over here. And here. So, some things that are really good about the car and some things that are really bad. Interior, I gotta say, it's not bad for the interior, really. But the paint condition is definitely that's usually broken on these. This one is not. See, this is usually broken in most of them. Okay, so I'm gonna turn off the AC and turn on the heat. Seat adjustments, they're working. Plastic piece missing here. That tire is a Yokohama ice guard. As you can tell, some tires are not matching. Acura 7, and on the other side as well. But this one is a different type. And overall though, here trunk space is good. We took a lot of pictures of the spare kit. Some rust on the trunk. Did the computer scan. I've taken the pictures of all of the codes that were registered. None for the engine though. It's, again, a lot of good news, a lot of bad news for this car. ABS though, it's registered some code. There's a stone chip on the windshield. It's a pretty big one. It's here. It's the windshield original. Good question. Let's see. No, it's not. Under the hood though, my god, it's clean. Oil quality test is a pass, belt is okay, fan belts that is. Brake fluid humidity content is a pass, battery and alternator is a pass. Air filter needs a replacement next oil change. Coolant is a pass. I mean, under the hood is so well taken care of, but yeah. Clutch biting point is okay. We're gonna take it for, I don't know if we can pump the tires to take it for a test drive, but yeah. The biting point, because the car was parked ahead, we brought it backwards a little bit so we can have some space to shoot the video. So I did test the clutch. The clutch was alright. I would say average for the biting point, but I don't know if it's slipping or not. Alright, engine's been running for a while. Let's get to the inside and hope that we don't run out of gas. It's pretty low on gas actually. Alright, as you can see, gas gauge is very, very low. Alright, controls, well, there is a hand-free link. Heated seats, both are actuating. Cruise control, I'm gonna hang up. Oh. Okay. Radio functions, all there. Dual climate control is there. Auto dimming mirror, sunroof, smudges on the headliner or the roof liner, some dirt here. Mirror is broken on the driver's side. Still functional, but the mirror itself is broken. Alright, well, let me try to figure out what we can do about the heated seat. Is working, by the way. We'll check on the passenger side before we leave. I'll try to see if we can get a way to pump the tire. I do have a pump, but the problem is the tire is completely flat, so it might be, the air might be escaping from here as I try to pump it. So I pump the tire, but the air would just escape. You need a high pressure. I have just a small pump. Undercarriage is alright. I mean, surface rust. I gotta say, you'll see it. You'll see it overall. All right. Well, this has been Sinan from CarInspected, and that was a pre-purchase inspection on this 2008 or 2009 Acura TSX in the greater Montreal region. Thank you for watching.